What's up, ladies? How y'all doing? So, FL Stu, how to zoom in and out. Gonna show you how to do that. So, one of the easiest ways is to go up in this upper right-hand corner in the playlist here, and you can kind of click this, kind of move your mouse up and down. That can stretch this. Okay. There's a zoom icon over here. So click this, click, 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 click. Okay, this does not change the notes or anything. It just zooms in, right? How else? You can click on this here and kind of move this like this. This will kind of stretch it. This up here, and then same thing here. At least I think, right? Oh no, that's more so for that. Okay, that's what that one is. So if you want to really zoom in, you'd be like boom, and you'd be like boom. You know what I'm saying? And it's the same inside the playlist here, you know. If you want to see some notes up close, hold on. Go to one with notes here. You know what I'm saying? Like boom, boom, boom. You know, it's a big note, you know what I'm saying? So it's like it's just boom. This right here is key, especially to like get it flat right. You know, click on this. Clicking on this actually doesn't do anything. I thought it did, but no. This is kind of like the up and down control. And then last, you know, you can use your mouse. So if you have a mouse, you have a scroll button. You know, you can use the scroll to go up and down, but if you hold down control, it'll stretch it out like that. Just kind of like the same thing as holding this here. Stretch it out like that. I usually am using this to just go up and down. And then again, like I said, you can scroll, stretch out if you hold down the control button and then scroll on the scroll thing on the mouse. That's how you zoom in FL Studio. Let me know if that helps. Let me know if that helps. I'm pretty sure there's probably some other type of option in here. Is there a zoom thing up in here? Maybe not. Okay, so that's that's how you do it. And before we go, thank you guys for watching. Check out our music producer resources. Link in the description. Check these out. I don't know why this thing is always up. Hold on. Sorry, this bottom bar is just annoying me. Yeah, check out the music producer resources. A lot of hardware recommendations, which I always say, like, hardware in music production is so key. A lot of free stuff in here, links to free stuff. I kind of like took what we know and kind of brought it into one sheet so you guys can just kind of like scroll through here, you know, see what you need. It'll help push your career and production level forward. So check that out. Link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.